Quotex is an online trading platform that specializes in binary options trading, allowing users to trade on various assets such as stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Here's how you can make money using Quotex. Understand binary options trading. Binary options involve predicting whether the price of an asset will rise or fall within a set period. If your prediction is correct, you earn a payout. Start by learning the basics of binary options trading through online tutorials and practice on a demo account. Open a Quotex account. Sign up for a Quotex account and deposit funds into your trading account. Quotex offers low minimum deposits, making it accessible for beginners. Use the demo account to familiarize yourself with the platform's tools and features before trading with real money. Analyze the market. Before placing trades, conduct market analysis using tools like technical indicators, chart patterns, and news updates. Look for opportunities where the market shows clear trends to maximize your chances of success. Manage risk. Set limits for each trade and avoid over-leveraging. Use money management strategies to minimize potential losses while increasing profits over time. Take regular breaks to prevent emotional trading and stick to a consistent strategy.